Welcome to Alliance Authentic. This was kind of a hidden gem at Comic-Con this year. They rented out a space in the Hard Rock Hotel. This pop-up had some cool things you can purchase and some giveaways as well. They are known for having certified uncirculated NFC collectibles. This year, the pop-up had vinyl records, Funko figures, and Handmade by robots featuring Star Wars collectibles. Right when you walked in, you got to spin a wheel. You either got to choose a Funko, a Handmade by robots figure, or a buy one get one free. They had a wide range of collectibles, so no matter what you were into, they had something for you. I saw stuff from horror movies, Disney, Marvel, video games, and more. What was really cool about their collectible vinyls is there is a limited amount of them that were sealed from production. Some of them had a number on them out of 10, 30, etc. People outside were very excited to get in and get some collectibles. This was Alliance Authentic's first year at San Diego Comic-Con, and it was really fun covering them. We hope to see them next year. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you next time.